Hey yo, what's up, yo, family? Um, Welcome. So, another project, project number three. We're gonna be doing a library management. So, it's very similar, but to give you like ideas and repetition helps when building projects. Alrighty, let's go ahead and do this. Console.log. We always want to prompt a user with welcome to the library management system. Okay, there we go. Do we okay, let's see. That's not it. Okay, source projects library management. There we go. We want to prompt user, and then now we want to create a collection. Okay, since we have a library, we want to do let library equals array of objects. It's gonna have a title, win book. Okay, just call it whatever, it doesn't matter. Author by when, and then available true. Okay, then a couple more books, John book or Ben book, whatever. Author, but all right, yeah, like I was saying, John book, John, right, and Ben book by Ben, etc. And then over here we want to create a function to display all the books we have. Function view books. All right, view books, and then we're gonna console.log and current library collection. Okay, and then we want to loop library dot for each. We're gonna say book and also index. Okay, and then we want to do const status book dot available. We want to grab that, and we want to see if available or not, right? Or checked out or whatever, something like that. That's the status. And we want to console.log and template literal, and we want to do index +1, and we want to do book title by book the author. Okay, and then we want to give it a status, book the status. All right, now how do we get this? Let's see. We can call view books, right? See, we got when book by when, undefined, because the status, available. If it's true, available. Status, did I use it right? Status, yeah, right? How come it's undefined? Let's check. Book the available, if true, available, if not, checked out, right? So the status, oh yeah, so we just do index would be 0, 1, 2. That's why we added the +1. Okay, array is always index 0. Okay, that's important key right there. But I'm trying to see why status is declared but its value is never read. Interesting. Let's keep it like that for now. We're gonna try to figure it out later. And the other function we want to do is add books, right? It makes sense. We want to add something, but we already have some books. So const title equals prompt enter book title, or enter author, right? Enter the author. Okay, and then down here we want to do library dot push. We want to push everything in there. This is called destructuring. Okay, I'm gonna push title, author, and available of true. Awesome. And then we want to console.log template literal book title by author added to the library. Okay, cool. And then we want to check out. Okay, when to check out function check out book We want to be able to check out a book as well, right? In the real library, you do that. We want to call the view books to display it before you check out. We want to keep track of the book number, and we want to parse the integer and prompt the user of enter the number of the book, okay, to check out.
You know what time we're going at?
To check out. To check out 10. Okay. Book number. And we want to, if book number is greater than 0 and book number is less than equal to library dot length, right? It's checking which book. So we've seen the index right here, 0, 1, 2, right? So we don't want to go over the length, and we don't want to be under the length as well, right? So that's why we're going to check again. If library book number, this is checking which index are you calling, right? The available, if it is available, right? If it is true, library, the index we're on, right? And available to false, okay? When we check it out, it's going to turn to false. Now we're going to console.log. We're going to say you have checked out library book number, the index we're on, okay? Perfect. And we're going to check it else. We're going to console.log. This book is already checked out, okay? And here we want to have an if else, right? Console.log invalid number. Cool. That's our checkout and our return, our book return function. Return book. Here's a function for returning a book, and here are the steps. We want to let them see the books, and we want to const book number again, parse it to an integer, and prompt your user, enter the book number you are returning, okay? Awesome. Now we're going to check if book number, I'm going to check again, is greater than 0 and is between this, okay? Between less than library, less than equal to library the length, okay? And library the book number minus 1 dot available oh yeah, we're gonna check if, right? If also, what do we want it to happen? Library book number, the index we're on, dot available to true, right? We want to change the status to true because we have returned the correct book. Okay, console.log, you have successfully returned library book number minus 1. Cool. And then else console.log, this book wasn't checked out. Okay, and then else console.log, invalid book number. Instead of console.log, we can do alert. Just alert all these. Okay, alert. I just want to do alert. It's much better. You'll see why I do alert. Okay, perfect. And right here, we're gonna also do alert. Okay, cool. Also here, okay, awesome. We'll do alert. Okay, and now this one is the menu function. Okay, this is the most important one. Function library manager. Okay, here we're gonna have a while is true, it's gonna keep going. We learned this in the last lesson, right? Console.log, this right here, we're not gonna be using alert because it's gonna be too noisy, right? And library menu, we're gonna display these options to the users so they know what to choose. Okay, if we don't, then they would just randomly choose stuff. Option 1 would be view all books. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's do that. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is exit. Okay, number 2, I believe, add a book. Number 3, check out a book. And number 4, I believe, is return a book. Cool. So these are the stuff we're going to show user. Now we want to be able to make the cycle starts. By doing that, we want to initialize a variable called choice or whatever you want. Want to prompt the user. Want to say enter your choice 1 through 5. Okay, no 0. Okay, but even though they do 0, we're gonna use a switch statement to want to show user of different things. Okay, here switch choice, and we want to see case 1. We want to view all books, right? Because that's the choice. And break always do that. And I'm just gonna copy it like this. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 is exit. And then we're gonna say console log thanks for coming to our library. Okay, and then we're gonna do return, start it again, exit the program, and then default we want to do to console.log invalid choice. Okay, and then case 2 is add books, so I wrote and check out book. Number 4 is return book. Awesome. Now our choice is there. We're gonna go ahead and run our library. Cool. Now something is wrong. Where's our prompt at? Ooh, it's breaking. Okay, let's check why it's doing that. While true, okay, we're not exiting something. Okay, it's because we put these outside. That's why it keeps on running. There. Dang, my computer is broken now. Yep. Don't do that, guys. Because this while true will keep on running without exiting. See? Yeah. Don't do that. Cool. While true. Okay. Alright. Give me a second. Alright. Yo, I'm back. It was broken, but now let's run it again. There we go. Choice 1. What do we want? We want to view all books, right? 1. Win book by when undefined. Okay, it's undefined. Let's figure out why. Come on, man. Why is it undefined? Status. It's not doing this. You can assign it like this. Say if book available. Let's try that. No. Status available. If true, let's just assign it like this then. Can we do it like that here? Okay, if book available, if it's true, let's get rid of that. Let's do 5. Let's exit. What's up, man? Available right there. Yeah, for some reason this doesn't work, so let's get rid of that, and we're just gonna say alert. See, available, available, available. Cool. But if you do alert, it's gonna be annoying. Let's just console.log it because it alert once at a time, right? Let's exit it. Let's do that again. One. There. Now we're seeing everything. So we're viewing books, right? We're viewing books, and here is the option: view books, right? And enter the choice will always run because we haven't break out any of these yet. All right, now let's go ahead add a book. What is the option for that too, right? Book title is Coding for Life by Win. Cool. Book Coding for Life by Win added to the library. Now let's view it. Cool. Let's see. Number 4. Okay. Now let's add one more. Coding or Sleeping. Cool. By John. Alrighty. Book Coding or Sleeping by John added to the library. Awesome. Now we got, let's view it once more. We got 5 books now. What's the next one? We're like, oh yeah, I like Coding for Life by Win. Let's do that. Let's check it out. Let's do number 3. Enter the book number to check out. We want to do try 0. Invalid number. Okay. Now we're gonna have to repeat the process. 3. Number 4, right? Cool. You have checkout object. Wait, let's see. You have checkout. It doesn't work. Alerting. So we're gonna do console.log. Okay. 3. 4. The book is already checked out, right? Since the book already checked out, and we want to return the book, so return the book is number 4, and then the book number we want to return because we checked out, I think, number 4, right? Cool. The book wasn't checked out. Really? The book wasn't checked out? So I want to view number 1. We checked out number 4, right? 4. Return, we want number 4. This book wasn't checked out, it says. Is it? Are we doing something wrong here? Cool. Alright, since we have number 1, then let's do that. Let's check out a book, which is number 3. Book to check out, window number 2. Okay. And then we want to view it. Now number 2, number 4 gone, right? What do we want? Number 3. Number 3 is number 4 to return a book. And I believe 2 is gone, right? This book wasn't checked out. Okay. We're doing something wrong here. Let's check out what's wrong. Okay. Let's check what we did wrong here. All right, let's go in and see. We're checking if book number, the one we enter, is greater than 0. True. And book number is less than equal to library.length. True. If library book number at the index, right, -1 dot available, that means it should be true. And then library, we make it a false. Cool. Now let's go return. Okay, we show view books, enter the number, and it's checking again. If book number is greater than 0, basically the same, true. If it's available, library minus dot available to true. Oh wow, return. There's something wrong right there. Okay, we're gonna say no, right? If it's not available, we're gonna make it a true, and here we'll make it false. Okay, I see what's going on there. Let's go ahead and do one add. We're gonna add a book. One. Oh, we already view it. 2. One add book. Good morning. By when. Cool. And all right, let's view it. When. Good morning is number 6. We're gonna delete this. We're gonna check out number 6. Checkout is 3. The book number to check out 6. Cool. We checked it out. And now we want to view. We got no number 6, okay? And here we want to return. Return is 4. And we want to return number 6. This book wasn't checked out. Are you serious? If no library, so this means it's false. If false, if no available, wait, return. Wait, let's view it one more time. Obviously, it's already gone, right? When we return it, something's wrong right here. Return book. Okay. Obviously, something is wrong right here with the logic. If no, that means it's false, right? If false, so it's gonna check. Okay. If, let me check it out. Where did I go wrong from here? Where did I go wrong? Where did I go wrong? Hold tight. The title. Okay. The return did it right. It was like that. See? Okay, if else cool, let's see again. Let's exit it. Maybe there's false here. Let's exit again. Let's do it. Okay, view. Now we have 3. Let's check out 3. I want to check out the book number 2. Okay, you have checked out object. See, object. Wait, let's see. Title. Maybe this is where things went wrong. Okay, let's do that once more. View. Cool, let's do number 3 to check out. And a book we want to check out is number 2. Okay, you have checked out John book. Alright, now return it. 4. We want to return number 2. There we go, you have successfully. That's where it went wrong. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in, and this is our number 3 project. Hopefully you guys can see that I've struggled myself as well, even though I already did this beforehand. Yep, it's a good learning lessons. It's important on how to check where you're wrong, especially like, for example, the return. For example, I'm trying to read code by line to see if this makes sense. Like saying it was initially like this, right? If it's available, of course it's not gonna be available since I've already checked it out, right? It won't make sense. That's why it would say this book wasn't checked out. Now I went and put this, and then when I went up here, I realized it's saying object because it didn't take any book but that title. All right, it messes up right there. All right, guys. And also, you gotta keep refreshing this stuff too. It caches whatever your previous one. All right, take care, y'all. Bye bye.